right, team, let's get these tripods and scanners set up first.
Copy that.
Remember to cordon off the area before approaching the hull. Yes, safety barriers are coming right up. The thickness is critical here. Mark this section immediately. Readings are stable on the beam. Capture the extent of the rust here. We need a closer look at the gauges. I'm documenting the hull breach point on the map.
Look at the stress fracture on the main coupling there. That's completely seized. Got it. The corrosion here is extensive, likely caused by the steam leak above.
The readings are consistent here. Let's place a marker. Right, confirming the damage zone.
Keep it steady. Cover that lower section.
Copy that. Moving down.
Supervisors, confirm hull integrity. Keep the pressure steady.
Watch out for the sparks.
Move the platform to Sector 3. Roger that.
Keep the tension on the chains.
Align the chisel on the seam.
We're making good progress on this anchor.
The readings here indicate significant stress. Mark this area for immediate attention.
Reviewing the structural blueprints for a solution.
The cracked weld seams require immediate attention.
Check the plate thickness at marker A3. Verify the laser alignment with the blueprint.
Keep the temperature stable. Monitoring pressure, clear the section below. Ready for the crane lift. Cable tension is at 70%. Acknowledged. Maintaining.
The hull breach is stable. Let's start with structural integrity checks on Deck B. Roger. I've got the ultrasonic scanner ready on the main bulkhead. Cut beam 3. Set the supports. Hoist is attached. Ready to lift. Monitoring alignment. Proceed slowly. Hand signal. Let's move it out.
The measurements are exact. Ready to move this section.
Initiating the next cut now. Ensure the alignment matches the specs exactly. Just a fraction off on the right. Adjust the pressure slightly, then recheck the template. Transport 1, position 3, ready for connection. Copy that, proceeding with attachment. Lifting sequence confirmed. Stand by for movement.
Hold. Steady. One click left. Slow descent now. Check the beam.
Perfect fitment here. Checking the gap. Alignment good. Proceed with tacking. Laser verification passed. Ready for full welds.
Keep it steady, mind the depth.
Affirmative. Adjusting power now.
Sections 5 through 7 looking good, moving on. Line it up, steady. Hold it there, watch the gap. Slow drop. Perfect. Torque it down.
Lower it slowly. Watch the angle. Perfect. Just a little more. Aligning hydraulics. Hold it steady.
The measurements are consistent with the digital model.
Flawless profile detected. Let's mark this section.
Verified.
The hull is perfect. Look at the shine on this steel. We did it. Ready for the next phase. Keep pressure on that sludge. Need more degreaser over here. Watch the wires, careful. We're making progress. The metal's showing.
Keep it steady. Watch the cables. Clear number 1. Take it to the bench. Check the tolerances on this piston. Prepare the next part for transport. The polishing is complete, ready for balancing. Balanced and within tolerance. Injectors are ready for reassembly.
Torque on number 4 cylinder. Reading specs, verified. Applying final grease to the seal, good. Step back, check the alignment one last time.
Line up the shaft.
Roger, lowering now.
Ready the torque tools. Secure the bolts.
All right, these corroded trays are coming down. Carefully with that cable. Looks good, boys, modernized. All right, connect the fiber optic cables here. We've got the power management online. Monitoring screens look good, alarms are clear. Final checks.
Line it up with the starboard marker. Right, bringing it down slowly. Watch your hands, mate, it's tight. Secure the bolts on the hatch now.
All right, start the pressure washer. Let's get this winch spotless. Need a larger wrench over here. This bolt is stubborn. Line up that panel, tighten this bolt. Almost got it. Pass me the screwdriver. Check this against the plans. Roger that. The crew cabins are nearly finished. Looking good. This modern look is great. Electrics are all hooked up. Main systems activating. Hydraulics online. Power levels are stable.
Verify bridge controls and comms. Confirmed. All systems green.
Fire up the engines. Systems check, all green. Main ignition activated. They're turning. We've got power. It's alive. Yes, we did it. Long.
Keep it smooth. Roger that. Looks good here. Stand by for spray. Keep it even, steady passes.
Thickness check, section 2 alpha.
Readings look consistent, sir. Roger that, moving up.
Keep it even. We're almost there. Nice work. Looking flawless. Just the edges now. Perfect.
The final components are in place.
It's factory new.
She's ready to go.
Main engines verified.
Ballast systems are green.
Authorization granted. Proceed with launch. Floodgates are open. Water levels rising normally. Checking.
Floodgates are open, proceed.
Roger that. Forward slow.
Let's hear it for the ocean giant, folks. Clear of the dock.
Systems check green. Engine performance stabilizing at 80%.
Copy that. Steering response is excellent.
Navigation reports we are on schedule.
Main engines running optimally.
Verified. All systems green. Main systems online and operating at capacity. Affirmative. Engine performance parameters are stable. Navigation is clear. Continuing on course.
Isn't this view incredible?
It's worth all the hard work we put into it.
To the forgotten giant, she's returned home.